All rise. Be seated.
70% of all murders are drug-related. We have 100,000 crack babies born every year. Drugs have driven up violence, health care costs. They've economically crippled every major city in the nation. So desperate are we to stop it, we make plea bargains, freeing murderers if they can offer testimony to help stem the tide. So desperate are we to stop it, federal law gives life sentences to first-time drug offenders. So desperate are we to stop it, we keep building prison after prison after prison. We have over 1 million people behind bars. More prisoners per capita than any country in the world. So desperate are we to stop it, but we can't. It keeps spreading. And now it's come to Rome. On your feet, young lady. If my mission were solely to be safeguarding this community, I'd put you away for a long, long time. Mr. Littleton is right. Society is desensitized to the incarceration of black inner-city youths. A pretty, suburban honor student, such as yourself, with a bright, bright future. I could send quite a message, and I'm tempted. But my job is to consider the specific case before me and all the mitigating circumstances. Your clean record, your plea, your exemplary background and past, and I do so. I must also consider, however, the fact that you brought those drugs to a school with intent to distribute. That means enhancer penalties apply. I hereby sentence you to 3 years at Tachita Women's Correctional Facility.
Your Honor, I beg you.
Sentence to begin immediately. Take the defendant into custody.
Excuse me, Your Honor, but this matter has come to the attention of the DEA. I have been ordered to place Miss Fenn under arrest and to take her into federal custody.
No!
Lawyers and police in chambers. This is overkill.
It comes from the top. I have absolutely no control
If you prosecute her in the federal court, she goes away for 10 years. That's mandatory.
I know that.
10 years. My God, that's her life. How could that possibly serve society?
It doesn't.
Like they say, the Fenn girl is ideal for sending a wake-up call to other teenagers. My superiors want to make that call.
3 years sends that message. Why don't you ask your superiors, how can they take Lisa Fenn for 10 when murderers get out in 6? What's the federal government's answer to that?
Public policy.